Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out a eyeshadow that I got from AliExpress. So these are single eyeshadows. I picked up two different shades. They're by the PHOERA brand and they are called the Super Vibrant Eyeshadows. I definitely do feel like they have kind of duped the Colourpop brand here. I do find that PHOERA in the past has also potentially duped other Colourpop makeup products as well, because they do definitely they rip off everything like about Colourpop. So I think they're ripping off Colourpop is what I'm trying to say. But I picked up two of these Super Vibrant eyeshadow singles. They cost 79p, which is super affordable. They come in 12 different shades and the shades themselves do look absolutely beautiful. You've got some real kind of intense pops of kind of bright colours. I just think that they look beautiful. At this point I have tried quite a lot of PHOERA makeup products and overall I've been really impressed. I think it's a really good, high quality but affordable brand on AliExpress. So I'm going to be showing you swatches now so that you can get an idea of what these look like. They're definitely not your typical powder eyeshadow, but they're also not a cream eyeshadow either. They kind of melt to the touch. They have a real kind of metallic glow to them, and I'd say that they do behave a lot more like a cream than they do a powder. They're like a powder that's been crushed up, mixed with a bit of moisture, and then just kind of oh hey buddy. Okay buddy, let's do it. And I feel like they've just been kind of pushed down a little bit. Alex, do you want to come say hello to everybody? Alex has not been feeling so good, have you, Alex? You want to come tell everybody? He's not been feeling very good. He's had a poorly tummy, haven't you? Hey, and he's not eating much, have you? You didn't eat your mashed potato today. Got two shades here. I've got Teddy, which is a beautiful kind of rusty bronze shade, and then I also have Beloved, which is a beautiful kind of deep gothic plum shade. I'm kind of spoilt for choice here. Both of these shades look absolutely gorgeous. They swatched beautifully, but I do think that I'm going to go with Teddy today because, oh shit, do you know what? I had a disaster. That's why I'm so reluctant at actually showing them, because when I hauled these I kind of held it vertically and I actually lost like so much of this one. I'm going to just use my fingers because I'm going to treat this product as if it were a cream, and I feel like I could definitely use a wet brush, but just to begin with I'm going to go in with my finger. I just think, you know, we were given fingers for a reason. That's what she said. I mean, really, guys, do you know what? I could probably benefit from actually taking, you know, the little pan like out of the cardboard, really. Like, does it need the cardboard at this point? No. Oh my gosh, do you know what? I just had an idea. I could pop it in my Z palette. Look, I've got a beautiful one that TZ Cosmetics very kindly sent me. Oh my gosh, and they're metallic, guys. They're metallic. So if you, like me, don't really buy singles because you can't be arsed dealing with singles, and you forget that you actually have a couple of really beautiful Z palettes, then these ones are metallic, which is wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pop the other one in. Come on, you little fecker. The magnet game is strong today. Like, seriously. I'm going to just get my finger. I'm going to pop it into Teddy. Can you see? It's all kind of flaking. It's flaking off, guys. It's a little bit, I don't know, a little bit tricky, let's say. And can you see on my finger right now, it just looks like little blobs. So I'm going to have to be like really careful. You know, tilt my head right down. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It just kind of melts into the lid. Oh my gosh. Like, not into it, of course, because that would be freaky, but onto it. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. It's super metallic and foiled. Oh my gosh, like, this feels buttery. It feels smooth. It is silky as feck. It just looks expensive. I mean, it looks really expensive. I live for this. Beautiful. Look at this. Doesn't it look expensive? Like, do you know what I mean? It just has that aura of, oh my gosh, I am an expensive bitch kind of look to it. The only thing that I will say is I do definitely feel like if you applied too much of this, it would look quite creasy. If you're a more mature person and I don't know, you seem to have lots of lines up there. Like, guys, if you're younger, then appreciate not having lines on your eyelids because it's not a fun time. Like, seriously, you could definitely build this up. Like, you could go for like a really sheer kind of layer like this, or, you know, I feel like in order to like build it up to getting something a little bit more, you know, wham bam thank you ma'am, I do think that you need to get like a chunk and just like, you know, massage it onto the lid. Oh, but this is stunning. Like, it's stunning. The shade of it, stunning. The texture, stunning. The metallicness, stunning. The application, stunning. Just everything, stunning right now. I definitely feel like I didn't go in with as much on this eye. And, like, you can see a big difference. Like, it does look slightly chunkier over here. But I'm loving it. I live for the chunky, so I'm gonna go. Well, I don't live for the chunky, but I'm liking it. So I'm gonna go back in. I'm just gonna like build this up a little bit more. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm deeply impressed. Like, well done to PHOERA. And I don't actually know, have Colourpop, have they released something quite like this, like a super vibrant eyeshadow that is, you know, a kind of cream-like consistency? Like, I don't know. Unfortunately, being from the UK, I don't have that much knowledge of Colourpop. It's a little bit scary to order Colourpop over here because the one time I did order from Colourpop, I got a £25 customs charge. And I think the whole order only cost about £30. So you can only imagine how salty I was that day at the Royal Mail pickup office. I just could not believe it. And then to add insult to injury, they did not have a card machine, so then I had to go feck off somewhere else and actually get money out from the bank. And I know this is like a total first world problem. Like, sometimes when I'm editing, I just think to myself, Anwen, what a fecking first world problem this is. And I edit so much out that would just make me look like an absolute moron, like literally. But anyway, guys, oh my gosh, the eyes I'm loving. I think it looks beautiful. I'm going to go in with a little brush, just kind of blend out the edges. And then depending on how fantastic that looks, I may just go in with a little bit of a powder eyeshadow just to, you know, blend a bit more. But like, so far, I love this. I love it. She loves it. She's living. Guys, this is gorgeous. It just looks so good, like so beautiful right now. I think I might just pop, like, and I don't feel like I need to, but I think I'm just going to pop a little bit of a kind of nude brownie kind of bit of a powder eyeshadow in the crease just to make it pop a little bit more, but like, I definitely don't feel like I need to, but I want to. That's how I feel about most of my purchases. Do I need them? No. But do I want them? Yes. I'm going to use my favourite Bay, the Little Elf for Scorpio palette. I honestly mention this in every single video, but it's just so good. Look at these shades, guys, and the quality. Like, I live. I know, how many times have I said I live? Far too many, but it's a gorgeous palette. So I'm just going to go in with like a cool tone brown. And I'm just going to like pop that in my crease. Just a little bit of Sushaning. Sushan. Okay, so I have finished the rest of my makeup. I just put a little Sushan, very subtle. Didn't go too hard on the brown in the transition, just to make everything pop a little bit more. And I also did put a little bit of a beautiful kind of ice cream toned, what am I saying? Is somebody there? No, probably not. I did put a little bit of a, hello? No, I did put a little bit of like a creamy metallic on my inner corner. Sorry, I've just got a little bit of mascara on my nose, which has just completely fucked up the whole look. But oh my gosh, like these eyeshadows, oh, I know I only tried one, but oh my gosh, that eyeshadow, sensational. Alex, did you turn your t-shirt back to front? Is that what you did? Yeah, the fact that these eyeshadows are 79p, go and get them all. Like, get them all. I know that they're singles, and personally, as I said, I always stay away from singles just because I just find that unless you've got a Z palette and, you know, you remember you've got a Z palette, you can easily just, like, neglect them and, like, never use them. But I think these are so... Yes, bud?
I have this in my tongue.
What was it? Oh no! I think these are just so sensational that I will definitely use them. The only thing that I wish that they actually had was, I wish they came in like, you know, a single, like a little pot, you know, like the MAC singles, that it had like a lid so that I could keep one forever in my everyday makeup bag, because I feel like these are the type of product that I would want to use a lot. So it'd be really nice if they actually, you know, even if you had to pay a bit more, if they came in a pot with a lid. Oh, Alex has got my new bag, which I've not hauled yet, but I'm going to be hauling it very soon. Do you want to show everyone? Okay, this is the new bag. Oh, what's that? I didn't know that was in there. Another strap. This is the bag with an unlimited amount of straps. Anyway, I'm going to go, but thank you so much for watching. I am deeply impressed with these eyeshadows. I know 100% that you would love them too, so I would definitely say get one, get two, get them all. I mean, really, they're beautiful. It's bye from me, and it's...
Bye from me.
Bye!